Hey everybody, I am coming to you with a Halloween look. I posted on my Instagram a image, I'll probably insert it here, but an image of me with like this galaxy thing going on my face, which I guess it was like a constellation kind of thing, but it wasn't one specifically. So yeah, if you were wondering what constellation it is, it's not one in particular. I just kind of threw some stars on my face and then drew some lines in between them to make them look like there was some type of constellation going on. But that whole little thing was a little time consuming because I used some very cheap, basically drugstore eyeshadow that was not very pigmented, so I had to put multiple layers of it on in order for it to show. But I did go ahead and do that, so if you want to check it out, just go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, which I will put right here. Follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, you'll be able to see things like that. Also, any of the makeup looks that I do here, you will be able to see basically the end results, the finishing looks, and trailers for those videos on my Instagram. So yeah, I post on there quite often, and I also have a Twitter. So if you have a Twitter account, then follow me. I'm Miss Wiggy on Twitter, or maybe Miss Wiggy Wigs. I'm not sure. But yeah, but why you guys are here is for a makeup look. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna pin my hair back. This is a wig, and it will be featured in several other looks, but as for this one, it will not. It's going to be coming off eventually, but as of right now, we are just going to tuck it and then keep all the flyaways out the way. For the sake of Halloween, why not put some little puffball ears on? Okay. Anyway, I got a few things. I went to the Halloween store and I actually racked up on some more Halloween makeup. And so I'm just cracking these babies open for you right now. These are Fantasy FX Mehron. I don't think you say it like that, but that's how I'm going to say it. That's what these are. And so I just got a bunch of these from my local Halloween store that shows up once a year. I love it. These are the colors that I got from my Halloween store. I just got black, red, off-white, and green. If you guys want to guess what I might be doing with these, like what characters I might be doing with these, and feel free to guess down below. Now, I know you guys hate me right now for not getting started, and someone's going to comment down below that the video starts at like 3 minutes and such seconds, which is horrible because that means I've been talking for 3 minutes, and people's attention span lasts a shorter amount of time than that. Alright, so we are going to start out with red Mehron. Hopefully this is pigmented. Oh, it is. I look like something. I look like something Halloween related, but I don't look like what I'm going for. Oh, I crack myself up. Symmetrical can be, because I am not a symmetrical person. Not at all. I'm putting X's where everything will be filled in, if that kind of helps. And no, I'm not Spider-Man. It's one of those kind of eyeliner pencils, and it came with the mermazing eyeshadow palette that I got from Five Below. So it worked out very well for what I needed it for. I'm back and it looks like I just got out the shower. I do have on a shirt. And also, this is just to kind of cover my hair. I feel like I look crazy. And I'm about to punch my freaking camera in its face. I'll turn it off before I do it so that it's not like I'm punching you guys in the face. But I'm getting tired of it focusing on the background. I'm right here. Maybe I should just pull it closer to me. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair really quick and I'll be back. Okay? Okay. Of course, obviously you guys know we're doing Darth Maul. So I'm gonna see if I can kind of keep the diamond shape going. Back again. I went ahead and parted my hair. I know I look even more crazy than I did when I came back from blow drying. But basically, as you can see here, instead of it going straight back, I kind of went at an angle, and then to connect it here, I didn't do the triangle going that way. I just went straight across. So from here to here, from ear to ear, it's just going straight across. You want to pull this hair forward. We don't want it to sit back here. We want it to sit up here as far forward as possible. Start twisting it. So doing my Bantu knots like this for a Bantu knot out, it's horrible. Horrible, horrible when my hair dries. I really want to wrap it around itself and kind of make sure that it goes up a little bit. Don't make it so flat. Make it go up a little. Then let's go on to the next one. Yeah, you have these things coming out of your head and your face is painted, but I actually want to take it up a notch. So let me pull up my reference again, and my reference is just a picture of Darth Maul. So yeah, let's go with the shape. We're gonna put the red on our part. Now we can take the red all the way up. I look so crazy and my gap makes it so much more creepy looking. I am recreating a few different looks for you guys this month just to kind of give you guys some ideas. I feel like the looks that I'm going to be creating are things that you can actually just kind of do last minute. You don't have to have a full body costume. If you walked out the house with this on and some jeans and a t-shirt, everyone would know that you're Darth Maul. So yes, I would say that if you were gonna wear this, I'd probably put on a black hoodie with like the hood up, but like leave the first 3 bantu knots out. You know what I'm saying? You look really creepy in there, hiding out in that hood with your face looking all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. I actually want to know what you guys are going to be for Halloween. Send me your Instagram, leave that in the comment section. I will go ahead and check out your page. Thank you guys.